To me, the laboratory is my playground. This is where we discover things. This is where we get our hands dirty. This is where we test things to make sure that they are safe as it walks out of Littelfuse's door. My name is Irma Santos. I'm the Global Senior Manager for Laboratories here at Littelfuse. Littelfuse has given me the opportunity to grow and to reach heights that I would never have dreamed of. I've been with Littelfuse for the past 17 years. The first 15 years of it, I was in the Philippines. Littelfuse invests in a lot of training, and it's not just like a classroom type training, but more on giving you an immersion. I love working for Littelfuse. Every single day, we are faced with requests coming from our internal customers asking us to perform a particular test. And we need to be agile in terms of the priority for the day so that we are able to serve all of our customers' needs at the soonest possible time and with the quality that is expected of a world-class laboratory. My favorite thing next to the laboratory is working with people. Littelfuse has been extremely helpful in terms of providing mentorship. I have had mentors my entire career that has guided me and helped me to be where I am right now.